In this video, I'm going to show you how to get premium on poly.ai. So the first thing you would need to do is, after installing the app and opening it up, you want to go down here to the bottom right where there's that kind of person emoji, okay? So you want to press it, and then you want to click login/sign up, and you can select if you want to log in with your email or simply with Google. Because it's faster, I'm going to log in with Google right now, just like this. There we go. It takes a few seconds, and then it asks you for your username, which is, I'm gonna have it instant how to, the name of the channel, and then the bio is optional, okay? So you don't have to put in a bio, but you have to put in a username. Once you've done that, you want to click get started, and then you've successfully logged in. Then over here, as you can see on this exact same page, what you want to do is, over here it says Poly Premium and Poly Standard. Now you can click at Poly Premium where it says subscribe, and then in here it will give you the Poly Premium prices. So per month it's 22 euros, and per year it's 225 euros, as you can see. So you have to check your subscription plan, which one you would like, and press subscribe. Now, as you can see, they also have the Poly Standard, okay, and you can also buy this one. It's a bit cheaper, but for Poly Premium you would have to buy it the per month or per year one, so whichever one you want, and then press subscribe, and then you will be redirected to the payment confirmation where we have to pay for it, and then you will get the premium version of poly.ai. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.